Hi, this is Siddhi. I recently attended Professor Bajaj's seminar on insurance demystified. It was a really good seminar. All the myths about insurance were busted in it, and I have a better clarity on selecting the insurance for my future. Thank you, Professor Bajaj.
The session was very informative, sir, on insurance schemes. Uh, Actually, what happens, we as a general peoples, we are not aware of the many things while buying the insurance. The paper was very lengthy, the terms and conditions, and we cannot understand that much better. Otherwise, there is a financial advisor guiding to us, and this session was very good. I personally come to know about the many things which I knew don't know before, like the riders are there in the term insurance. We should not take any riders in that insurance. The different issues in the health insurance are there, and the two new insurance are there, accidental and the critical illness cover. I come to know very firstly in this session, so it is a very delightful and it is a very informative session. Thanks to Professor Bajaj sir, Agrawal sir, for having such an informative session. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving your valuable time.
Hi everyone, I am Meena Agrawal. I attend Saurabh Bajaj's class today on insurance. It was really good. I come to know about a lot of different types of insurance. It was my pleasure to attend class. Thank you.
कल प्रोफेसर बजाज सर ने बहुत ही अच्छे से टर्म प्लान इंश्योरेंस के बारे में बताया। एक्चुअली पहले पता नहीं था मतलब वो क्या होता है, उसका बेनिफिट क्या होता है, क्यों करना रहता है और नहीं किया तो क्या होता है। पर उनका लेक्चर सुनने के बाद मतलब बहुत अच्छा लगा। उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से नॉलेज शेयरिंग किया। थैंक यू सर फॉर द नॉलेज शेयरिंग।
Hello, this is Apurva Agrawal. I would like to thank Mr. Saurabh Bajaj for such an informative training on insurance demystified. I hope your guidance will help me to take better decisions while I buy insurance policies in future. Looking forward for such more sessions. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं सुनील मित्तल मुंबई से हूँ। आज सौरभ बजाज जी का मैंने आज वेबिनार सुना। काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग वेबिनार था इनका। इन्होंने इंश्योरेंस के सभी एस्पेक्ट को कवर किया, जैसे लाइफ इंश्योरेंस विद टर्म प्लान, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, कैश पॉलिसीज़, एक्सीडेंट इंश्योरेंस, क्रिटिकल इलनेस, सभी पॉइंटों को बारीकी से उन्होंने टच किया और पॉलिसी क्यों लेनी चाहिए, किस तरह से पॉलिसी को रिवाइव करना चाहिए, इसके बारे में हमें बताया। और टाइम से आपकी पॉलिसीज़ में क्या क्या चीज़ें होनी चाहिए, क्यों पॉलिसी आपको अर्ली एज में लेनी चाहिए, उसके क्या फ़ायदे हैं और कब तक आपको पॉलिसी कवर रहना चाहिए, इसके बारे में भी बताया। मुझे इनका वेबिनार बहुत ही पसंद आया। मैं भी इंश्योरेंस फील्ड से हूँ, लेकिन उसके बाद भी बहुत कुछ चीज़ें मुझे नई सीखने को मिली। थैंक यू वेरी मच सौरभ। ऑल द बेस्ट for your futures.
Hi, I am Ms. Khyati Sampat from Mumbai. I again attended the training of Professor Saurabh Bajaj. This time it was related to insurance. He's trying to cover all the topics related to insurance and investment, basically financial services in this lockdown, which is really helpful to gain knowledge and to solve all the confusion in mind. I am very glad I attended his insurance training today. Thank you so much.
Myself, Vinayak Wag. I am a retired banker. Today, I have heard a seminar from Nidhi Investment on the insurance. It was very useful to the people who are at the age of 25 to 60, 55 to 60 years also, and very useful to who is earning from the first day, and they should invest in the insurance premium on the first earning, It is very useful information given by the Bajaj sir. Thank you.